Every home craves and deserves curb appeal. So I'm going to give you 5 quick tips to help you achieve curb appeal at your home. The first step is to trim any overgrown branches, dead limbs, anything that might be touching your house. And then our second step is to install fresh mulch. Not only is this going to help with moisture retention, it's going to give your garden a fresh pop of color, plus it's going to help inhibit weeds. I also recommend installing annuals for a pop of color depending on the season. You can install warm season or cold season annuals that are help give your home a little color for the season. One of my favorite secrets for adding curb appeal to your home is to update your house numbers. Not only does it help people find you, but it also adds a little character to your home as well. Pick a color scheme and run with it. I like to add a little pop of color in the planter here, and it also helps it pop against this pillar on the side of the house. Plus I have a welcome sign, and I can add this wreath to it for a pop of color. As you can see, I've chosen yellow, very bright and vibrant for the season. Use the same color throughout the front of your home to add curb appeal. You can add a wreath, an accent piece, a welcome mat, and a lot more that are in that color scheme to make your home stand out.